Hey guys, I'm back with a new video today, guys. I'm doing a makeup tutorial and I'm starting off with like no makeup because I'm gonna just show you guys. I seem a little sick, guys, but so I'm gonna show you guys my makeup routine with Milk of Magnesia in the summertime as well because you know it's hot out here, guys. I live in New York and weather here is actually hot. We're actually in the hundreds this week. So I'm gonna show you how to do my makeup and you know, everything that goes along with that. So I hope y'all enjoy and I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all turn on your notifications by hitting that bell and hit the subscribe button so that you will be notified and you know updated when I post new videos like this. Going in with my Milk of Magnesia, and I've been using this for a while now. I got it from I actually got it from Family Dollar, but you can get it from anywhere you want to. Actually, it's a butterfly up there, guys, but you can get it from anywhere you want to get it from. Walmart sells it. I got this for like $2, so you know it's a little dirty, but that's what I use. I'm not going to be using moisturizer on my face today because it's so hot outside. I'm going to go in with this brush right here. This is just a regular blending brush, but you know, I want full coverage today. And this works. This brush really does work. All over your face. Just make sure to get the forehead. And yeah, my face is so oily, so I just really don't want to use foundation. I mean, what you call it? I just don't want to use no moisturizer. So this is gonna dry, it's gonna turn white, and yeah, when I don't have time, I use the blow dryer if I'm rushing in the morning time or going to school or work. Other than that, I just you know let it dry if I have a lot of time. I'm just gonna talk about the foundation that I use. This is the True Matte foundation. This is LA Colors, and this is really great, guys. Like if you're trying to be cheap, if you're on a budget, I should say, because this is like a really great color. I'm gonna show you guys. Okay, this is a really great color, as you can tell. And it's thick, you know, so it's creamy, thick. But I will be using that on my face today. So yeah, just letting this dry. Today I'm actually gonna use the same brush that I just used for my Milk of Magnesia. I'm gonna use this brush for the foundation today. And what I like to do is just dab it in my face like this. Just dab it in. It looks more cleaner. It gives you a better look. It blends better, I would say. Okay. Okay. So next I'm gonna go in with my concealer. So I'm gonna do my highlight, I should say. So I'm gonna correct my eyes, under my eyes, and I'm gonna use Vlog concealer, and it's very thick. It's heavy duty, so I wouldn't use a lot. I also have this LA Colors concealer, so I'm gonna use actually both. So I'm gonna use more of this. It's really yellow, and I like a tad bit of that. So I'm gonna mix them together. Okay, and I'm just taking a little bit because you don't need a lot. You really don't. Okay, so I just got both of it, and I just like to mix it together like that because I want a full coverage effect. I'm gonna be using this wet beauty blender it's not wet yet. That's why I sit by sink, y'all, when I do my makeup, because I always forget to wet my beauty blender. And I like to dab it on my beauty blender like that. It looks weird, but that's what I do. And I just go in. I have the Anastasia. I'm gonna be using this shade right here. It's not the darkest shade, so, and I want to warm it up, so I'll be using that, just warming it up, and I'll be applying that to my cheek. Okay. I'm also gonna mix it with this lighter shade right here, because I like my nose highlight to be like on point, but I don't want it to be like too dark, you know, because I'm light skinned and it doesn't look right with me having like, you know, a dark nose. So what I do is go down, but I go so light. Okay. You could barely see it. That's the whole point. I'm gonna do it again. Just following the outline. And now I just start blending out again with the beauty blender. Alright, and you just want to dab it and the direction you want your makeup to go in. That's like how I do it. So I'll be taking this shade right here. It's like a brown. Use this natural loose powder to set my under eyes because it's very yellow and I don't like it. Plus we're gonna use a light, okay, because we don't want to make it look cakey, too cakey, because we don't need that. So we're gonna just use actually the bare minimum this time. Usually I just found with this kind of powder, the LA powder, that it sticks. So you gotta be very fast, but use very light, because if you use a lot, it just looks too cakey for me. So what we do is just go lightly. Okay, under the eye. And literally, guys, this literally doesn't take a lot. Just set that everything. And once I set everything, I actually go in with a powder, a dark powder for my cheeks. With my Real Techniques, Black Radiance True Complexion Powder. And I use it for my contour. Okay? You don't need a lot. But if you do, like me, I don't need a lot. I just like to use it. Just towards the end a little bit because it makes everything pop, okay? So that's what I do. And I put some here. So the next thing that I actually do, guys, I actually work on my eyebrows. Because once I set everything's set. So it was going with an angle brush, okay, and my elf. This is the lock-in liner, and today I'm using the shade Espresso. But you could use dark brown or Espresso, and that's really all that you would need for your brows, and some concealer, guys, and that's it. But I always start with this eyebrow first for some reason. It's just something I do. I don't know, but I first brush. Look up close with my mirror because you just never know. So I'll just start with the bottom of the brow and I go over the top. And then I stop. Then I fill this part in where I want to go. And just connect it to. And I start dragging this in. Bring this makeup in. Okay. Alright, guys, and then all I do is go with a dark color eyeshadow. And I just fill it in. That's really all I do for the eyeshadow. My eyeshadow, since I already did my concealer and everything else already, or did my highlight, I'm not gonna actually even do that. I'm just gonna hit it a little bit with the beauty blender. Eyeshadow. Can't say.